The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
The phrase justice for all takes a special meaning in the work that we do. Rebecca Calderon, Manager of Interpreter Services.
Daniel Navoa, Court Interpreter.
I'm Paula Gold. I'm a staff interpreter in the District Court.
I'm Teresa Salazar, Intérprete de Planta, Staff Interpreter.
Okay, Ms. Hess, I don't want you to be nervous.
I am responsible for providing interpreting services for our courts, for all languages. The highest demand in our district is Spanish.
The other languages that we hire most frequently are the Chinese dialects, Mandarin, Cantonese, and Fuchao, Russian, and Arabic.
Since I am only one person and we have many matters going at the same time, I also have to contract other interpreters and supervise them.
We can have upwards to 200 to 150 events a month. Probation, interviews, translation of documents, assisting the public over the phone, and the bulk of the court work.
The interpreter is there to be the voice of the judge, the voice of the prosecutor, the defense attorney, and the voice and ears of the non-English speaker.
Basically because it's in our Constitution, the right of the defendant to understand the proceedings.
You have people coming here who are being accused of crimes, and how can you defend yourself against a crime if you don't understand what's going on?
Our job is essential so that foreign witnesses and defendants can understand the process so that we can break through the cultural barrier and facilitate the proceedings so that they can follow what's going on.
The federal courts has a program of certification for 3 languages only. For the other languages, it's a little bit more challenging, more difficult. We try to look for someone that would be classified as professionally qualified.
There are some techniques that are essential that you must acquire. Simultaneous interpretation skills are basic, and consecutive interpretation skills are very, very important as well.
It's very important to understand the culture of the person that you're interpreting for, because things that may seem offensive in our culture are not.
You're dealing not only with one language, but you're dealing with different levels of education in that language. The speakers vary in education, they vary in regional accent.
We're going to swear the interpreter before we begin.
Le van a administrar el juramento a la intérprete antes de comenzar.
I don't know of any federal court interpreter that does not love his or her job.
Being part of this proceeding that is so important for the parties, for all the parties, is just a wonderful feeling.
The double benefit of not only being something that I enjoy doing, but it also offers a benefit, a social benefit.
It's very rewarding to see the light of understanding in people who are in a very frightening situation most of the time.
Judge, I need a break.
For me, this is much more than a job. I'm a formally trained interpreter, so it's something I've invested time, effort, and money in to be the best I can be in this field. Coming to the court has allowed me to build on that.
The training never ends because language is always changing and the law is always changing.
I'm very happy with what I do. I feel very honored to be able to provide service to so many people.
I find it's an organization that allows me to be the best I can be.
If you have a curiosity and a yearning to learn for the rest of your life, this is a wonderful career.